What's going on? My name is Jeff. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new, consider subscribing, hitting the post notification bell. And on today's video, we are going to be doing a review on the Mighty Mug. Now, I've seen this on Unbox Therapy and did a couple of tests with it. So I wanted to go ahead and grab one and pick one up myself and do a test and review for myself. Now, this right here comes in handy. Say you have a 3-year-old and they're running around near the table and they knock the drink down, spill. So this right here actually saves you a lot of stress and time and a lot of headaches. So I got this off of Amazon for about $15 to $20. I'll leave a link down in the description below, letting you guys know, letting you guys see. So it has a smart grip technology, grips to any smooth, flat, solid surface. There you see, there's the actual mug, the top of the mug. Let's go ahead and pull that out. And you got a couple of pieces of paper, booklets that, let's see, the mug that won't fall over. 5 different types of Mighty mugs. They have a solo mug, a sleeve mug, a go mug, a tumbler, and an ice mug. There they go right there. So here's another booklet, some type of warranty for the Mighty Mug, a warranty for the Mighty Mug, which is pretty cool. I think that's really awesome. And here is a big, huge instruction manual. Like, you really need a manual for, you know, the Mighty Mug and how it works. Well, for those of you that like reading, this is actually for you guys right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the review. We're gonna go ahead and take it out of the plastic. So, put it on the table. There's the actual Mighty Mug. See, I'm already hitting it. Boop, I hit it too hard. So it doesn't necessarily work when you hit it with a lot of force, but you know, a love tap will definitely keep it in place. See how it kind of like shook a little bit and then went back to the table. So this is the first test right here. See, if I slide it like this, you guys can hear that it kind of has some kind of suction. We don't want to damage it, but it knocks over like that. But one of these or one of these, let's see. That right there will move it, but it doesn't necessarily knock it over. I'm not sure what this is right here. I'm really curious to see exactly what this is, but the real test is when we put liquid in here and you knock it over, will it be spill proof? Will it be leak proof, spill proof? Will it actually work? So there's the cap, or the lid, and here's the actual mug itself. We're gonna go ahead and put some water in here, and we're gonna test it out. I'll make sure it's on there tight. And so there we go to moving it again. See, if we do that, it moves. But if you do that, it doesn't move. It shakes a little bit, as you guys can see. It shakes just a little bit, but hit it with your elbow, shakes a little bit. But you do that, hit it with force, it knocks over. And let's see if I can hit it hard. here. Knock it out of frame. No water. No water's coming out of it. So it is spill proof, leak proof. Really great mug for the price that it's at. I thought it was all hype when I saw it, but apparently it is not. So shout out to Unbox Therapy for his review, and I'm gonna be picking up another one of these, maybe another model or type. Kind of like the tumbler model, and I like the Go model. Go model is the red one right there. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, you turn on the post notifications, and also don't forget to leave a comment down below.